And welcome back. This is Chief Meteorologist Eric Tallman with you. We're covering a lot of severe weather in the Midwest today. This does not include Michigan, so everything is okay. We've got wonderful weather. Everything will be high and dry in Michigan, but our whole focus is basically going to be this general area right where you can see it. Our main concern is going to be where you see that red right there. There's going to be moderate severe weather over in the Tulsa area, maybe a little area of Oklahoma City, but I believe it's going to be a slight area of severe weather. And usually when it's slight, usually there is severe weather down in that area, so we'll kind of keep an eye on that. There is actually going to be a significant weather event going on, and there's supposed to be some kind of other watch that might be issued down in the south and over in the Ohio Valley border. There possibly will be severe weather as well. I don't expect it or anticipate that it is going to get any. I don't anticipate that it's going to get close to Michigan, so we don't really have to worry about that at all. So that's actually going to be a plus for us. Let's go ahead and check to see about tornadoes and see what we've got going on right now. We have a 5% accuracy for tornadoes, so that's actually a good sign. That's actually low, so that means that that part of the south is going to be on the low side for tornado activity. So I think we're basically going to see thunderstorm activity mostly. I don't think we have to deal with tornadoes, but there's still the possibility that there might be tornadoes as well. We'll keep an eye on that if the percentage goes up, but we're watching the report, so if we hear anything different, we'll let you know. And then it says something about, let me look here, I don't even, oh, there's the information right there. I'm just trying to see exactly what it says. Okay, so for day one, 5% risk for tornadoes in Oklahoma City, Tulsa. So that pretty much covers that. And then over where Kentucky, Fort Smith, and other areas, and Joplin, I think that is in Kentucky, there's actually a 2% chance of tornadoes out in that area. So that's actually very slight chance of that. We're going to check out the wind value. I think we're going to be dealing with that. That might cause up some problems, but we'll let you know about that. 30% chance of seeing moderate wind chance over in the Tulsa area. They'll probably have some wind that they're going to have to deal with. And then there's actually, if I can see this correctly, there's actually I believe it's a 15% chance that there'll be a good slight chance that wherever you see it yellow over in Springfield and wherever else you see it, we'll have a slight chance of seeing some wind damage as well. But I think mostly the wind damage is going to be in this area. We'll keep an eye on it, and if it does get upgraded, we'll let you know about that as well. For hail, oh, indefinitely, we're going to be watching that very closely. I think mostly the area of concern for hail is basically going to be in the Tulsa area over here. And then 30% chance over where Oklahoma City is. They may also see hail as well. We're keeping an eye on this because I think some of those severe watches may be upgraded. We'll let you know about that in just a little bit, so we'll kind of keep an eye on the situation. So this is day one that we have up right now. Let's see what's going on for day two. Let's go over to day two. Okay, for day two, the severe weather is out of the Midwest. Don't really have to worry about that. Just some general thunderstorms over in the Virginia area and basically in Florida. So basically, we don't have to worry about that. We'll kind of keep an eye on what's going on in the Midwest. So basically, we don't have to worry about that. Now for day three, we're not expecting any organized severe thunderstorm forecast at all. So that's actually a good sign. Okay, the probability is actually going to be too low for any kind of thunderstorms, so we don't have to worry about that at all. So other than that, I think we're going to do okay. We'll have to let you know about that, but most definitely we'll kind of keep an eye on the rest of the situation as well. And there is a watch down in the south as well as they deal with that severe weather as well. And we're going to show you a little bits and pieces of what's going on here. Let me see if I can find our there it is. Sorry about that, of whatever you've seen. Okay, this is basically our special radar of what we're watching. We don't really see any kind of rotation or anything of that nature going on, but there is a severe thunderstorm warning, and that is actually down here. I can't really see it because that was just issued. And this is down in the Tulsa area, a severe thunderstorm warning in Madison County and northwest. I don't know what the name of that is. I'm sorry. So that severe thunderstorm warning over in Madison County is until 4:45 Central Daylight Time. So you guys are under that severe thunderstorm warning until 4:45, and this was issued at 3:50 p.m. your time. The hazard is going to be 60 per hour wind gusts and $half size hail with it, and that was indicated. We'll get to that in a minute. And then the impact is also going to be hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. So we just wanted to let you know about that as well. So please, the main threat is going to be the wind up to 60 miles an hour, and hail will be 1.25 inches. So just be aware. So you are under that severe thunderstorm warning. If it does get upgraded to tornado warning, we most definitely will bring it to you. We'll have much more in a little bit. Stay tuned.